Welcome back. Today let's talk about multiplexing. Here you can see your 16-bit address bus. That means this particular bus has 16 individual address lines. Okay, this bus as a whole carries your address. These 16 lines are grouped into two different categories, like A15 to A8. Here you have 8 bus, and in here you have 87 to 80, another 8 bus. So there is a mere difference between these two categories. That is, A15 to A8, this group always carry the address. No matter what happens, this is going to carry address all the time. But this particular group is going to carry address and data, but at a different time. Now let's see how on earth the same bus can be used as address bus and data bus together. Here you can see an address latch. What does a latch do? Latch means lock. That means the latch can be used to connect or disconnect these two portions, these two buses, as per our need. Here you can see an address latch enable pin, and as you can see that this is active low pin. That means when the pin is low, only then the address latch is going to be enabled and this part is going to be disconnected. Now as this pin is high, that means this part and this part is connected all together. So now let's see. This group carries the higher byte and this group carries the lower byte. You already know that. Now the lower byte comes all along through this group of buses and crosses the address bus and comes here, and the higher byte through A15 to A8 comes here. Now they all together gives rise to the 16-bit address you need. Here is your memory. The address gets logged here, and in this particular address you have some sort of data. Now the problem is, if you use 8 different lines to carry this data to the MUPI, because this memory is outside MUPI, this is not a part of MUPI. Okay, now see, you have already spent the 16 lines, that is the 16 pins of the MUPI, to carry address from MUPI to the memory. Now if you use another 8 lines to carry data to the MUPI or carry data from MUPI to the memory, then you are occupying 24 lines only to carry data or address, and 885 is a 40-pin MUPI. That means you have already spent 24 pins out of 40, and for different other purposes you have left only 16 pins. Okay, so this is obvious that the MUPI has many other things to do except for carrying address or carrying data, because this is the brain of the computer. Alright, so you have to play smart here. How? See, these two groups, or to be specifically this particular group, is lying idle here because the address latch is not enabled, and the lower byte of the address that this group was carrying is already here, and the MUPI already knows what is the address it has to work with. So now what? If we close this latch by making this pin low, this portion and this portion is now disconnected. So we can easily move data through this line to the internal data bus. That was our objective. And as this latch was enabled, that is, the data couldn't go in this way and mix up the address, but it had to go in this way and reach internal data bus, that is inside MUPI. So we have saved 8 pins that we can use in several other purposes. Hope this much is clear. Thanks for watching.